If you want to edit a slow motion video on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first we're gonna go to the gallery. Now over here you want to open the slow motion video that you want to edit. There we go, and now in here we should be able to simply tap on this pen icon that we have at the bottom of the screen. And of course over here you should be able to find a bunch of different tools that you can use to edit your slow motion video. But if you want to adjust the slow motion itself, then you should be able to tap on that icon that I just tapped on, which allows you to open this additional timeline. So these dots or thin lines that we have in here in the middle, this area in here is the slow motion effect. So if you want to adjust the slow motion effect, you can, for example, extend it to make the whole video in slow motion. Maybe you can just set a small part of your video to be in slow motion. But what you can also do is you should be able to tap anywhere on the timeline here. And now, as you can see, above the slow motion timeline, we have an option to choose additional slow motion effects. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and as you can see we have now the second slow motion part. So you can have, for example, the slow motion effect, then you can run the video normally, then the slow motion effect again, and so on and so forth. Of course you can adjust it and make it look like and work however you want it to be. You can also tap on the slow motion effect on that slow motion timeline to find this trash button over here, which allows you to remove a selected slow motion part. And there we go. Now, in case you want to save your slow motion video, you can either tap on save over here, but it's going to replace the original one, which you might not want to do. So if you want to save this one separately and keep the original video, you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then you can choose to save copy. And then wait for the video to be saved, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.